Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name Rosinta Fitriana Tangestu. You can call me Rosinta. I'm from Malang and I'm from PhD major in chemistry. My hobby is watching movie and also cooking. I like watching movie because it can cheer me up when I'm sad. I also like to cook because cooking is very fun. I also hope when I graduate and I can be a career woman. My favorite color are black and cream, and I really like to see beautiful natural scenery. Let me deliver the matter on environmental issue and air pollution. Climate change, this pandemic is one proof of environmental damage. Major changes on Earth that are able to change the climate are to do the high customer behavior of humans. Due to the absence of vehicle restriction this country, many flock by to buy vehicles that cause air pollution. Air pollution that accumulates can cause global warming, which causes the Earth's temperature to rise and the polar ice caps to melt, and the polar forests that almost lost their, their homes. The kinetic of the rate of chemical reaction increase with increasing temperature. If the temperature rises, then all chemical reaction on Earth increases and can cause premature aging. There are various ways to tackle this long-lasting problem. One of of them is to reduce the use of fossil fuels such as oil and coal. The reaction is fossil fuels are the peak of cause of CO2 level on Earth. Another way is to carry out reforestation, namely repot- rep- replanting forests that have been cut down and increase greenland. That way, CO2 will be absorbed by plants and reduce the impact of global warming. Finally, we can reduce the use of plastic to offset sales of plastic waste that can produce methane gas. In addition, plastic waste will be difficult to decompose by environment, switch to more biodegradable material. The atmosphere consists of four different layers in terms of temperature and air pressure due to difference in the absorption of solar energy. Burning wood converts immobile compost into a mobile base, namely global warming. This will change the climate and will climate ecosystem. The layers that are important of human life and vulnerable to change due to human activity are the stratosphere and troposphere. Layers are the changes that emerge from the composition. The composition in the layers is different from the next layer. Greenhouse effect. The use of fossil fuels by humans produce very large amounts of CO2 gas. This CO2 gas cannot be directly retracted directly in the carbon element, so it accumulates and forms a layer this the stratosphere in natural conditions. Solar energy is absorbed by the Earth and will be reduction as heat that live in the Earth. But most of this heat is absorbed by the CO2 layers, the stratosphere, so that only part of the Earth heat can escape to outer space. Depletion of the ozone layer in the stratosphere, the ozone layer or O3 absorbs UV radiation from the sun and protects the Earth from it. Without the ozone layer, UV radiation penetrates the atmosphere and recycles the atmosphere surface. Ozone depletion layer in the stratosphere. Ozone layer are absorb UV radiation from the sun and protect it that radiation without the ozone layer more UV radiation penetrates the the atmosphere and reaches the Earth's surface. Ozone depletion layer in the stratosphere affect human health, inhibit the immune system, increase cancer and star characters, reduce agriculture and forestry yields, increase of conversion of compounds into pollutant smoke in the troposphere. If likened to greenhouse, like we wear jacket where our body metabolism will reduce our body temperature when wearing a jacket. Our body temperature will stop because we cannot get without, so we cannot get body temperature. That's how we think our Earth is when is hit by the greenhouse effect. Acid rain The same rain happens in our life as indicated by acid rain. After it, acid rain subplanes experience yellow spot, low pH, dis dissolved metal, and NO2 from motorcycle and CO2 from industrial combustion are released into air. The gas reacts in the air to form a decomposed H2CO4, HNO2, and HNO3, which gather uh, in the clouds after being carried by the wind for hundreds of kilometers. The cloud content will fall to the Earth's surface in the form of rain or snow. The negative effects of acid rain are death of animals and plants, the deterioration of humans' health, corrosion of building material and metals. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.